Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell so that if I put more videos, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My own people, today topic Iwe Agbada, Iwe Chukoto. It can't wear Igele journal, my people. Some guests, all those side chicken, they worry you. All those side chicky, they get problem, oh my people. Mo na use this one to get sense, so una see matter see wetin side chick they do, my people. Mr. Nice don cry out o. He say make una help and beg him wife o. He say make una beg him wife. He say abeg darling. Say he know say he don do something shameful wey he himself dey regret. He go regret it meme. He say make una help and beg him wife, my people. Some women dey wicked, like seriously. My people, muna lis ten o. Mr. Nice can't go carry side chick. He go carry, he get wife. And I know say if he married before a woman leave at that time, before he come marry this one, and we can stay with her, you know. So now he can, you know, men now he wants to go like jogodo for our side, you know. So he come, you know, he don't feel the do am. God never catch him. Before trap can't catch him for this one, now. This one now can't tell and say. He go show your logo, your John Thomas for outside though. Say that's your John Thomas of that day wey we jogodo finish. Say he go show am. Na he come dey beg the girl now say I beg. Make the girl not do am. The girl say he must show am to public o. Everybody must see that John Thomas o. Wey no one keep for one place o. He beg the girl. The girl say lie o. He must show am to everybody o. He must show am to everybody o. He beg the girl, he cry, he beg the girl, he don't beg the girl with everything. Say, okay, what do you want? If na money may he give you, the girl say la o. The girl say la o, he must show am o. He come the beg and say I beg. If your wife see an a problem in dey o, this thing go cause big problem for a marriage o. He go cause big problem o. The girl say la o, he must show am. Everybody must see am o. Everybody must see am o. But some girls they dey wicked, like seriously. Some girls they dey wicked, like seriously. Okay, what do you want can gain now if you can't do this kind of thing to this man now? What do you want gain? What do you want gain? You just want spoil a name, like you just want spoil a name. You know good. He even see share the naked John Thomas for outside. He not still pay me. He can't see carry the guests where the guy don't see jogodo with before. He can't carry Audrina. He can't carry Audrina, can't publish am. They get to do, my people, oh, they get to do. Some guests, they dey wicked, like they dey wicked. Some guests dey wicked, What did this man could just do you rich like that? Wey be say you can't say no, say you not go fit forgive him. Say you must show he naked, he John Thomas for everywhere first before you go come forgive him. You too do now. If na your brother they do this kind of thing, how you go feel? You too do You too do now. His wife now don't see her. His wife say he not dey marry again. His wife say not dey marry again. You know. So now don't be the problem now. We dey now. He now come cry, come out now say make they help and beg his wife. His wife say he not dey marry. She not dey marry again. Say because he not expect this thing way. When Nice do so, he say he no expect am. Nah. He John Thomas wey be say only he one dey see for his house. He people don dey see am now for outside now. He get he be the wife now. People come dey laugh her. Wetin he dey hide before he don dey public. Everybody now don see am. You know, everybody now don see am. Na the matter now. Everybody now don see wetin only he one be dey see before. Everybody don see am. Now the thing don turn to public people own now. Now that one now, in the cry now say I beg me the help and beg his wife. Now be then the cry when he cry come out so. Say me the help and beg his wife, my people. Hey, this one pass Joromi. This one pass Joromi. Like seriously, pass Joromi. Mr. Nice, why you go do this kind thing to yourself? Why you go do this kind thing to yourself, oh my people? Why you go do this kind thing? Eh? Why be say una no dey as they even dey talk which that I say two face dey carry we no see this kind thing for two face o. As they say two face dey carry different woman but we no see this kind thing. Your own now you no even no you know women not to do something na the result na be this one my people. The result na be this one. How we go say beg a wife na make a wife no comot now. If wife say no dey stay again say wan comot him now dey beg now say make your wife no comot make your wife no comot. Who go stay for that kind of thing my people? You wey dey watch me now, if your husband do that kind of thing I go really need una opinion for this thing. If your husband do that kind of thing you go forgive am. If your husband side chick go bring your husband John Thomas come out for everywhere, you go forgive am. You wey dey watch me now, you go forgive am. More na leave una comment. I go need una opinion for this topic. I go really need una opinion. You wey dey watch me now, you go forgive your husband because this woman now, even me go vex. Even me go vex for this thing. If my husband do that kind of thing, I will vex. So you wey dey watch me now, you go forgive your husband. If your husband go carry a side chick, the side chick now come say if they threaten and now say want carry your logo come out for outside, you go forgive your husband. But Mr. Nice, you should do this one, You should do this one. How you go take beg your wife now? For me, I know say to her is human, to forgive is divine. What the person go come do now? What the person go do? I just to beg the woman, make you find a place for her heart, make you forgive her. For me. But you wey dey watch me, you go forgive your husband if your husband do this kind of thing. Hey, so I pass Jerome. In fact, this one, he carry weight like. Wait, before me do this topic, I don't reason and say, God, how people go to reason this thing now? Hey, but some girls they wicked, all those side chick. Married men, cover your body. This thing a private part they call am. They not call am public part. So why it be so not the one keep una John Thomas for one place? See many more na they keep una John Thomas for one place. Una not go here. Una not go here. See what it don't happen to you now. How you can't reason yourself now? All those chicks, their head not there, so some of them their head not they have see. Now just to destroy now then they and then they forget say they go marry one day. Then they forget say they go marry one day. Now their way. Now their way. I beg. Men, more na they keep una logo for one place. Keep am for only your wife. No they carry for outside. Una no go here. Una no go here. See what it don't happen to you now, nice. You can't come back now, they beg. Now, say, may they help you beg your wife. Yeah, pray, say, may your wife forgive you. So, thank you, everybody. My darling people, I will put the video for you people to watch more than not gonna say, Lady J, where the video? I will put the video more than listening when they use the mark, the shop audience. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you. Bye.